The Pagani Huayra is not just a car, it is a breathtaking fusion of cutting-edge technology, artistic craftsmanship, and Italian passion. Born in the workshops of Modena, Italy, this hypercar is the brainchild of Horacio Pagani, a visionary who believes that every car should be a rolling sculpture. On Turbo Truth, we bring you the story of this mesmerizing machine that redefined automotive excellence and emotion. The first thing that strikes you about the Pagani Huayra is its design, elegant yet aggressive, aerodynamic yet extravagant. Its name, inspired by Huayra Tata, the Incan god of wind, perfectly captures the spirit of this wind-sculpted beauty. Every curve and detail is purposeful, built with a mix of carbon fiber and titanium that ensures both strength and lightness. Butterfly doors, exposed mechanical components, and handcrafted interiors using leather and aluminum make it more than a car, it's a moving work of art. Beneath its sculpted body lies a heart of pure performance, a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, custom-built by Mercedes-AMG. With over 700 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, the Huayra rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds. But it's not just about raw speed, it's how gracefully it handles the power. Active aerodynamics, a lightweight monocoque, and precision-tuned suspension make it a symphony of engineering on wheels. One of the most unforgettable aspects of the Pagani Huayra is its sound. The exhaust, crafted from Inconel and titanium, produces a note that is part opera, part thunderstorm. At full throttle, it sings a mechanical aria that thrills any car enthusiast's soul. Coupled with a 7-speed sequential gearbox and active flaps that adjust to driving conditions, the Huayra delivers a drive experience that is visceral and unforgettable. With limited production numbers and handcrafted assembly, owning a Pagani Huayra is like owning a piece of automotive history. Each unit is customized to the buyer's vision, ensuring no two cars are exactly alike. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a legacy on 4 wheels, a collector's dream, and a testament to Italian excellence in design and performance. The Pagani Huayra is not for the faint of heart. It's for those who understand the artistry behind speed, the elegance behind engineering, and the soul behind every supercar. On Turbo Truth, we celebrate machines like the Huayra, vehicles that push the limits of what's possible and redefine what it means to drive. Stay tuned for more high-octane stories of automotive legends.